The era of gears and steam is reborn through music. Each note is a testament to human ingenuity and artistic expression. Imagine a world where every melody is crafted by clockwork, where steam-powered automatons compose symphonies and grand mechanical orchestras. Elias van der Laan, a visionary inventor, dedicated his life to blending music and mechanics. His legacy lives on through his extraordinary creations. The quest for the perfect harmony was never easy. Countless hours were spent perfecting each intricate mechanism. Every gear, spring, and lever played a vital role. The first prototype, a humble cylinder music box, echoed with simple yet enchanting melodies. It sparked a revolution in automated music. News of van der Laan's invention spread like wildfire. Aristocrats and collectors clamored for their own mechanical masterpieces. Each music box told a story, brought to life by meticulously crafted automatons. These tiny performers danced in perfect synchronization with the music. The pinnacle of van der Laan's creations, the Grand Mechanical Orchestra, a symphony of automatons playing in perfect harmony. But jealousy simmered in the hearts of rival inventors. They sought to steal van der Laan's secrets and claim his glory for themselves. One night, a daring heist was executed. Van der Laan's workshop was ransacked, and his most precious inventions were stolen. Van der Laan was devastated, but not defeated. He vowed to reclaim his creations and expose the treachery of his rivals. The chase began, a thrilling pursuit through the labyrinthine streets of the steampunk city. Van der Laan was relentless. He sought allies, individuals who believed in justice and the power of music. Together, they formed a formidable team. Their investigation led them to a clandestine underground auction. Van der Laan's stolen creations were being sold to the highest bidders. A thrilling confrontation ensued. Van der Laan and his allies battled the thieves in a chaotic clash of gears and steam. Using their combined skills, they disabled the security systems and freed the automatons from their captivity. Dr. Aaron Wang, the mastermind behind the heist, was cornered. His dreams of stealing van der Laan's glory were shattered. In a final act of desperation, Wang activated a self-destruct mechanism, threatening to destroy the entire underground city. Van der Laan and his allies raced against time to disarm the device, their skills pushed to the limit. The fate of the city hung in the balance.